All right, we're going to talk more about customer service throughout the course, so hang tight for that. But now I would like to talk to you a little bit about what makes the hospitality industry unique. So as the book mentions, employees in this industry generally do shift work. Shifts can be super early in the morning at a coffee shop. They can overlap lunch and dinner at a restaurant, or they can be late night at an event venue or bar. It's rare to have a consistent schedule, so you'll often work different days and shifts each week. This makes planning your personal life challenging. During the time that I owned Firehouse, I can't tell you how many family functions I missed. I was only able to take a few weeks off work after my daughter was born. I was called out of bed countless times when my employees would forget to leave the key for the night delivery. When I was a wedding planner, I missed my own grad school graduation ceremony to work a wedding out of town. So working in the hospitality is not all sunshine and rainbows. However, it does allow some awesome perks, including free food and experiences, the ability to work around your school schedule, and the ability to take care of errands on weekdays off. When I was running the restaurant, I was able to take my daughter to preschool each week, and that was something that most working parents aren't able to do. I want those of you who plan to join this industry to go into it with eyes wide open. You'll work long, inconsistent hours. You will start at the bottom. You will clean bathrooms. You will get yelled at by customers. You will have a boss that may be the worst human being to ever walk the earth. But you will also meet amazing people. You will learn lots of new things. You will make someone's day or even change their life. This industry is brutal, but for those of us who love it, it is magical. I can't tell you how much I miss being on my feet all day, engaged with customers, mentoring my employees. For now, I'm waiting tables, but I truly hope that I get to stay a part of this industry forever because I love it.